How to apply drop shadow to image in Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to apply a drop shadow into your images in Wix. So the process is going to be very easy and very simple, and this process is going to be made because we need to put some highlights on the specific image of ours. So we are going to attract the attention of the visualizers or the viewers to that specific image or to the in general all the images that we have into our website. So the process are going to be or the process is going to be beginning from heading over wix.com, sign in for an account, and then you're going to see from here, as you can see, the dashboard of the Wix, the of course the chosen Wix website. Now we are going to click on design site or edit site, and from here, you're going to see the website of yours. Now we're going to start by adding an image. So I would like to add here a empty section, and we are going to add from that an element. So we are going to head over here, select image, and either you are going to upload or you can go ahead and use the free use images from Wix. I'm going to select this one. For example, I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. So we are going to have it just like that, put like this, and just write this amount. Now, what I am going to do is to have the image in here. We're going to click on the settings of the image, and then we can go ahead either adjust it or we can go ahead and set up the design of the image. So in my case, I will go ahead here and edit the image, and we can go ahead and apply the as you can see, the shadows. So you can go ahead and apply some shadows, but this is going to be on the image only, or you can go ahead and have here, for example, things set up into here. So I'm going to leave. Now we can go ahead and customize, as you can see here, the design. You can go ahead and click not on edit, but I'm not going to edit the design, but we can go ahead and set up the or customize the design. So you can go ahead and have here some drop of the shadows by just adding this effect. And you can see that it is going to have here the shadows put up from here and there. So you can go ahead and customize the design as much as you want by having here, for example, the shadows, a border, or the, as you can see, the width of the shadow. So with that, we have selected the shadow and put it in here. So you can also have this specific form that have the image into a corner. Also, the shadow is going to be set up in here. So you can go ahead and apply the shadow to the image itself. For example, without the quadrant or the square, click on shadow and you are going to apply the shadow. You can go ahead and choose the angle of the shadow, the distance, the blur, the size, and etc. Also the opacity and color. So you can go ahead, for example, and put a pink shadow in here, and it is going to have the neon effect. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.